Morning friends, myself Kedar Badega, and today I am taking your lab number 9th, and this is the last lab of your subject of which is the basics of industrial engineering. So in the previous lab sessions we discussed about the entrepreneurships problems, and in today's lab number 9 we try to discuss about the some kind of the waste management systems. You have to write. This is also one kind of the study practicals, right? Basically this is a theoretical. Whenever you try to study any kind of the theoretical subject, right, this kind of the situation is happens in the kind of the theoretical subject, that the majorly the experiments which is related to the study experiments, right? So this is also a one kind of the study experiments, and whenever we are try to understand about the study experiment, which is not the performance experiments, right? This is some kind of the difference between the performing experiments and the studying experiments. The subject which is related to the theoretical subject, they have majorly focus on the theoretical aspects. So this is also the about the study kind of the practicals, and you have to study with using or with reading the some kind of the literature which is available with you. So the lab number 9 or experiment 9, which is related to studies on the waste management, how to manage the wastage, right? The many kind of the wastage which is created in the industries, and this is the global problems in the industries, any kind of the industries. Majorly we are talking about any kind of the manufacturing industries. This is the major problems in the manufacturing industries, to how to manage the wastage, right? If you suppose you are manufacturing some kind of the chemicals, some kind of the pharmaceuticals, some kind of the oil manufacturing industries, some kind of the automobile industries, there is a scrap management, right? So any kind of the, if you are manufacturing any kind of the product, so there is a kind of the waste which is produced, and how to manage that kind of the waste. Either it is a wastewater waste, either it is a material waste, there is a different kind of the waste. So in this experiment you have to write down some kind of the literature on the waste management, how to control the waste. There are the many conceptual thinkings or ideologies are available in your literature review at your textbook about the waste management. You have to write the 1 or 2 page ideologies concept about the waste management. So I think this is the enough for the lab number 9. Still you find any kind of the difficulties, you have any kind of the problem which is related to the waste management exercise, you can ask me any kind of the questions, doubt in your comment sections. I will definitely solve your queries with the next series of the lectures. After watching these video lab sessions, you have to write down your enrollment number into the comment sections, which is counted as your online attendance. So this is the last lab sessions from your syllabus. There are the totally 9 lab sessions are in your GTU syllabus, and with taking these lab sessions, we are compiling or completing these sessions of the your laboratory experiments. You have to write down this all laboratory experiments into the file page. I think you have to write down 2 to 3 pages of every experiment. So there are approximately 9 experiments, and if you are calculating as a 3 pages, there is only 27 experiments of your lab sessions, 27 pages of your lab sessions file, and you have to complete it in this weekend, and you have to scan it and send it on my email address, right? I think you all have my email address, and if you don't have, I will put on your departmental group, and you have to send this scan copy of your experiment files on the Monday, right after completion. Your exam will be completed tomorrow, and after that you can write these experiments on Saturday, Sunday. So this is compulsory for all the students. This is all about these last video sessions of your laboratory experiments. Thank you so much for watching these video sessions.